currently...
We can go to the pool.
Oh my god, yes, we have a pool back in our
Oh
spot.
my god, I forgot.
Okay, we are currently in Ubud, Bali.
Ubud, Bali.
Here's everything we did here.
Everything.
Starting with the pool that we're about to go to. This is how many people are here. Everyone's just like trying to get their perfect Instagram photo. Everybody's actually enjoying it. Sorry for the bad footage, by the way. But they're all just like trying to take an amazing picture. And everybody's like lined up there for one. Let's just go enjoy the water. Whoa. Do you ever feel like a big leaf floating in the water towards the waterfall?
To the rice terrace. It's over by the mountains in the north of Bali, but it looks like it's gonna rain, so we're just gonna keep going. If we feel the raindrops, then we'll turn around and maybe come back another time. But this area, like the north of Bali by the mountains, is so green and so colorful and so lush, and I love it.
This is just like a random decision to come over here and just start driving. It's about an hour away, so it's a really long drive, but we'll try to make it there and hopefully it doesn't rain. Hey, what's up?
It's just so pretty.
So many palm trees in the palm trees. We just made it over to the rice terraces. In order to enter and go up to the top, it's about 80,000 per person. Or
It's
no,
80,000 total.
It's 80,000 total, so it's 40,000 per person in order to go to the top. We might do that later, but you could actually see the rice terraces here up close, and then if you go up to the right, you could see a beautiful view of all the surrounding rice terraces in the area, which is awesome.
And yeah, this is the rice terraces.
This is awesome. Does anyone know how rice terraces actually work? I don't. I wasn't going to explain it to you. I'm literally just asking. Alright, let's go see the view from the top. Look at how green and lush these are. I'm loving the rice terrace look right now. You can drive past so many different rice terraces here in the north, and I really like the way that this looks. It's just like, I don't know if it's specifically just rice here or not, because it looks like they're growing some sort of vegetables over there, but this is definitely rice. You want to make sure that you look at a good bathroom. This is a good bathroom. Definitely a lot better than the place we were at before. And this room is just incredible. I mean, look at this. Nice bed. And Ruthie's excited about this part too. The pool right outside our door.
That is literally right outside our door.
Literally right outside our door.
So nice. And the
Are you excited?
owner of this place owns 2 spas around here. It's 100,000 for a 60-minute massage, and it's also 100,000 for a 60-minute facial.
Let's do it. This is awesome. I'm loving it.
Good trip.
We found our own waterfall.
New one.
Hey, little pup. We're going to a new waterfall.
All right, we see we see a wooden ship, so gotta walk onto it, you know. Woo! We found a secret waterfall. Whoa. So we just found this waterfall. There's only one other couple here, and we're all talking about like why it is that nobody comes here. Because it's so beautiful. Honestly, I doubt this will be like this a year from now. It's just too beautiful. I mean, look around you. Look around me. Guys, we found a rainbow in the other waterfall. This is officially the best waterfall that we have ever seen. Do you agree?
It's the best waterfall in all Bali.
Double rainbow.
It looks amazing.
This actually is incredible. I mean, nothing better than French fries and smoothie bowl. We just made it to the monkey forest. It's 80,000 per person to enter.
What are the things they say to do?
Not to look them in the eye, not to have any food, not to run, which is all three things I did the last time I saw a monkey.
This is exactly what happened to Hammer last time he looked at a monkey. He did this with his teeth. He's got a big beard. Are there any monkeys behind me?
No, but I always feel like I'm in Planet of the Apes in here because like I've seen monkeys take over. I'm not trying to have them take over me right now. This one looks big. Look at this big guy. Not looking him in the eye. Actually pretty cool. It's like a safe place to really interact with monkeys. I'm gonna give a picture of this.
This one's so funny.
Yeah, it's so funny. If you wait for it, he's gonna like put his mouth over it.
I saw that
it
when
fills
he
his mouth and his cheeks just like
Look at that,
fill
right
up.
there. Do you see
Yeah,
that?
there you go.
Oh my god, Ruthie, it's so good.
It's so funny.
These guys are just feasting right now. They're enjoying a huge dinner. Those yams or potatoes, like sweet potatoes, they're looking good. I'm trying to eat some of those. Ruthie's so scared of the monkeys. Pictures from far
I
away.
wanted to take a picture of him in portrait mode, but it wasn't recognizing, so that was sad.
This monkey's doing the same pose as the statue. He probably thinks he's real.
Real.
Dus jetzt nog mal kurz da oder gleich weiter? It's cleaning him. Coconut monkey guy. Okay, so Ruthie said this is the biggest one that we've seen. Mr. Coconut guy. Oh my god, this one's the best. He's running away.
Bye!
Okay, thoughts on the monkey forest. It's really cool, super packed, but that's fine because there's a lot of place for you to like walk around and you're really just enjoying the monkeys and seeing like how they interact with one another.
There's enough monkeys for everybody.
Ruthie, what's this trail called?
Kampuhan.
Kampuhan. You walk about 2 kilometers and then at the end you get to rice terraces.
So we're gonna be seeing so many rice terraces over the next couple of weeks.
About to get extra ricey up in here.
I hope you guys are ricey for it.
Ruthie has the best balance. Oh, this is not sturdy at all.
Trail, and it means the place where 2 rivers converge. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
Converging 2 rivers. It looks awesome.
Where it's now completely uncovered by the sun, and we're walking along the ridge, and hopefully we'll get some views of some rice terraces really soon. I'm actually pretty excited about this.
We're still walking. Ruthie, start walking. Do it for the camera. Alright, let's go. Someone tell me why every time we end up going for a hike or whatever, I'm always in flip-flops. Out here with the best gear. We made it to the rice terraces. There's little rice inside the terraces. Why is it called the rice terrace? So when you guys come to Ubud, I highly recommend you get a hotel with a pool. It doesn't cost much more. This was $9 a night for our hotel, and we have this pool with rice fields in the back. It's incredible. So I got me a nice little mango right here, and I'm ready to enjoy that pool.
I was being silly.
Poolside mangoes, nothing better.
Can I stand here? Yeah, I can.
See? Perfect. She taught me paddles here.
Do you like them?
So we are at the Kauai restaurant pool.
I'm saying it's somehow cheaper than like everywhere in downtown Ubud, so this is amazing. You get a pool that comes with it, and there's a swing somewhere, I think. There's a room to change. It's a really nice vibe up here. Wait, Hammer ordered a vanilla milkshake and it came with sprinkles on top.
I'm a child.
Living on the edge.
Look at how aesthetically pleasing this is. There's an electrical wire behind you.
Oh shit. Damn it.
Hey, Ruthie.
I can still stand here.
No way. I'm gonna go to this edge. Look, Ruthie knows how to swim.
Do you know how to swim?
Always above ground.
She just does doggy paddle.
Yeah. As long as my head's above water. Oh look, there's like a step here.
Oh, don't fall off the edge. Oh my god.
It looks prettiest when you look from like this angle, because then you can't see the streets.
Oh, there's no cars down there. It's just trees.
It's so fluffy.
We're finally moving. We have not.
Lazy days.
We've been having how many lazy days here in Ubud?
We had 2.
Hey, you made it. You made it to the waterfall, man. Super splashy. Oh my god.
This is so epic. So this is definitely the most epic waterfall that we've been to. And the most swim-friendly waterfall. A lot of people are swimming in there, getting super close to it. Oh my god, it's so epic.
The splash is so real here, Ruthie. We're getting soaked out here.
We've only put our feet in the water, but like everything is so wet. All the water is like.
Oh my god. I'm gonna try to get as close as possible to this waterfall. So let's go inside. Holy crap. Oh my god, the mist is real. Woo! Waterfall live! This is crazy! Oh my god! Okay, this is 100% the best waterfall that we've ever been to. We'll miss you. Let's go climb 1,000,000 stairs and get dinner.
It'll definitely take us like 4 times as long to go up than it did to go down.
Ubud's awesome. We love it here. This is our last night here, and tomorrow we're going to Canggu. Let's go grab some dinner and then head up to Canggu.
What was that wrench for?
What? The wrench was for auto exposure. You need to turn that off.
Oh, hopefully it's good. We're going to go get food now because we only had a small breakfast this morning and now we're really hungry, and we're going to be especially hungry after climbing hundreds of stairs. And Ubud's awesome for food.